Hello everyone, it's Gray from Lakeside and very good morning to you. So yesterday I thought I'd have a nice relaxing day, and what better way to do it than to have a go at some more Dinky Toys. If you remember, I got 4 or 5 Dinkies from Hazel for Christmas presents, and I'm gradually working my way through them. Also what you saw for a present was this, which was a pre-war Dinky Ambulance, and as you can see it's got windows in the back, the doors and the sides. Now they made another version of this. This is in grey. They made another version of this with the windows in a cream colour. So I'm on the hunt for one of those. I've seen a couple and they weren't that good, to be honest. So I didn't go ahead and get those. I want to try and get one where I don't have to restore it. The ones which I've seen needed restoring badly. But what I did do was find, let's put that one there, was find this one. So this is a unrestored ambulance. This is post-war, and as you can see it's got the windows now filled in at the back, and it's in the cream colour, not the grey colour. The grey colour is quite a rare item actually. So I'm on the lookout for a cream coloured ambulance like that, but in cream. So that's my next project to get. Here is one of the unrestored Dinkies from Christmas. So this is the last remaining one to do, which is the Lagonda, I think. Yeah, it's Lagonda. So it needs some new lights and just generally tidying up and respraying, repairing where necessary, new windscreen, and that'll be it. So now I will show you what I did yesterday, and this is how they looked prior to them being restored. Okay, so the first one up is the Sunbeam Talbott. Now, in a lovely maroon colour, which is one of the colours that it came in, and which I think was the original colour of this particular car. I couldn't see any overpainting on it. So it's the original wheels, but with new tyres. This was a dog, it really was. The old tyres literally just broke off. They were rock hard, no rubberized in them at all. They were just totally solid. New headlamps fitted, just replacement headlamps. Get my words out in a minute. New windscreen, chassis painted, riveted, steering wheel put back in, and a black interior. But what I haven't done is to restore it up to the standard of the MG you saw I did. This is straight, and as you can see you can see the imperfections in the metalwork there, which is how it should be, to be honest with you. So I didn't want this customised in any way. It's really how it would have come from Dinky in the first place. But it has sharpened it up very nicely in comparison to what it did look like. So I'm very pleased with that one. And the next one up is the Armstrong Siddeley. which is a really nice car. I love this one. Lots of work on this one too. It wasn't a straightforward just take apart and replace. The bodywork was actually quite damaged on the inside, and it needed just gentle persuasion to straighten. These back mudguards here were slightly bent in, so I managed to straighten those out. Painted the interior nice tan colour, tan leather, and the dashboard, new windscreen. No headlights to replace on this one because they're inbuilt. So as regards that, then again, if I can pick the light up, you can just about make those imperfections in the bodywork, but you know, I'm getting up really close there. So it makes another nice display model for the cabinet. So the only one to do now is this one, which I think is Lagonda. Yeah, this is the Lagonda. So it's basically the same thing, stripped down, new lamps, etc. So that's what I did yesterday, and I shall carry on, and I will do the Lagonda maybe later on today, but I think my wife has got better ideas, so we'll see on that one. So there you go, just two more added to the collection. Put them that way for you, and then make a very nice display vehicle for the cabinet. Okay, so bye for now.